This is a mini portable battery operated blender and it's broke. It's the second one I've broke within a month of getting them. And so the question is, can you put these in dishwashers or steep them in dishwater? I think the answer is probably no, because the power's totally gone after about using it 4 times. I think it doesn't charge up. I put this in the dishwasher. I think I had this sealed like that, but obviously I don't think it was enough. I think I've damaged it. And I damaged the one I had before that, which wasn't a Daewoo. It was just one I bought from eBay. These are very good things actually, but this is the second one I've quickly damaged after using about 4 times. And I think it's when I wash them. This one I put in the dishwasher with that closed, but it'd probably get into the circuitry or maybe the lithium battery. Same with the other one, but I'd put that in, I'd steeped it in hot water. So if you get one of these, don't put that bit in the dishwasher or in hot water. Alright.